Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a iPhone 11, 11 Pro, or the 11 Pro Max. I'm going to show you 3 ways how to use Siri. Okay, so in regards to the first way, first thing you want to do is you want to go into your settings here. And then from settings, you want to go ahead and you want to scroll down to where it says Siri and search. Tap on that. Now if we look right on top, now you can see right here, here's the first 2 ways to do it right here. You can do one where you can listen to, basically you can say, hey Siri, then you can ask your question. Or the one I recommend doing is just pressing the side button for Siri, okay? So the first way is this one. Let's try this one here, is the press side button for Siri. So let me go ahead and turn this on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on Enable Siri. And once I do this, you get another option here that pops up where you can go ahead and use Siri when the phone is actually locked as well. So for example, I have a press side button for Siri. So if what I need to do is press and hold, ask my question. Once my question is done, I can go ahead and let go. For example, I'm gonna press and hold. What's the tallest mountain in the world? And then I can let go.
According to Wikipedia, it's Mount Everest.
Now we also have another option here that we can use Siri when locked, okay? So if we have this on, and now, let me put my password in, even if my phone is locked, just like this, and I want to go ahead and ask Siri a question, I can still go ahead and hold the side button here or the power button and ask the question. Press and hold. What's today's forecast? And then let go.
Looks like nice weather coming up today. Up to 78 degrees.
Now I think this is the easiest way to do it. Most of you guys will do the press and hold the power button for Siri, okay? Now the second way, what we're gonna do is, it's gonna be up here, the Hey Siri, okay? And you can have all of these on as well, okay? Anyways, for Hey Siri, let me just go ahead and turn these off right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and activate the Hey Siri. So the first time you do the Hey Siri, you have to go ahead and click on Enable, and then you have to go ahead and let Siri recognize your voice. So we're gonna go ahead and set up Hey Siri. This only takes like a second. Go ahead and press on continue here. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Okay, and then once it's done, you simply tap on done right here. So now we have the option here every time we say, hey Siri, what's tomorrow's forecast?
Expect some clear skies in Arcadia tomorrow. The high will be.
So now we also have the one where we can also click the lock screen here too. So once we have it locked, even if the phone is locked, we can do the same thing here. So the phone is locked here. Hey Siri, what is the top 3 languages spoken in the world?
Just a moment. Okay, I found this on the web for what is the top 3 languages spoken in the world.
Okay, so you got the, I gotta say it, but the Hey Siri. Okay, so you guys got that. Hey Siri, turn off Hey Siri.
I can't do that, but you can change it in settings.
Okay, so let me just go to settings here, and I can go ahead and turn the Hey Siri on or off right there. Like I said, for myself, and I think most people, we like to use the side button here or the power button, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave that one on, and I also like it to allow it when the phone is actually locked as well. And I'll just put in my password here. Now, the third way is through the accessibility. So go ahead and open up your settings here, and then you wanna go ahead and scroll down. You wanna go down to accessibility. Tap on that. Then you want to go ahead and tap on touch, and then we want the Assistive Touch. Okay, so tap on that right there, and then what you want to do is go ahead and turn it on right here. And then once I turn it on, you see this little floaty thing that pops up. Let me turn it off again, and I'm going to turn it on. So now you have this floaty thing here, okay, and you can do a lot of different things with this here. Okay, so if I can make it, if it's a single tap here, I can go ahead and tap on that. I can go ahead and put whatever I want, even if I wanted to do a screenshot here. So every time I tap on it's going to take a screenshot, okay? But what you can do is you can go down to Siri, tap on Siri, and now it doesn't, and this will float anywhere, even if we go ahead and lock the phone like this. is still going to be here. So once it's on the lock screen here, I can do the same thing. I can just go ahead and press it once. How many centimeters is 6'1"?
185.42 centimeters.
And another thing too, if I go ahead and log back in here and I just go back, so you can do the Siri with a single tap. You can make a double tap. You can even do the long press here. For instance, I'll go ahead and do the long press, and I'll go ahead and make that activate Siri. So I'll scroll down, I'll click on Siri here. Let me go back. Let me go ahead and take off the single tap here. Let me just put down none. So now I have to long press. So if I need to long press it, now remember, long press is basically pressing and holding, okay? It's not one tap, it's not a double tap. You have to press and hold a little bit. Open the YouTube app. And there you go. Pretty simple. So those are the 3 ways. Any questions? Comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.